Oh, 3 free slots.
Is it working?
I don't know.
Alright. Perfect. Alright, so... Hey guys,
Oh, Mega Push.
I'm here playing White Noise 2.
It's gonna scare us.
Oh, I'm gonna cry.
Zoinks.
Matthew, you're the monster.
Wait, hold
No,
on.
I'm not.
Let me see.
Oh, never mind. No, you're not.
I'm gonna be the big black guy, dude. Oh, he does not sound black. Never mind. Holy crap.
Sit down, you dare, get in my way.
What the hell? He said,
Don't you dare, get in my way.
what the hell?
Don't like this.
What the hell is even that?
What the hell is even that?
We ready? We ready? Good. We're ready. We have the Duke of Wayne's Manor. That's it. Okay, are we ready to start?
Yep.
Start.
Darn it's not like Halo.
Dude, I want to play some more Clash Royale, dude.
It's what?
Oh shit, I started.
It's not like
I
Halo?
started one.
It's
I
like
started
yeah.
one. Hold on, just can we pause the game for a few?
We
Like, I
can.
No,
accidentally
we
started
can't. This
a
is online, Matthew.
match. Holy lord, dude!
Yeah.
I accidentally started a match.
You're a Yeetus
You're retarded.
dingus.
I'm
You're
retarded.
Yeetus
retarded.
dongus.
Just call me
Retarded.
parted.
You're retarded.
Why
Another
would you say
definition of
that?
calling you
Why would you say that?
overly sugar.
Honestly, though, why would you
Toast.
say that?
Because I'm going to discriminate your sweets, your
Why would you say
your
that?
hobbies.
That is not nice. Well, you know what? You're a tart. Okay?
Usha Mania. Hello?
This is
friends?
scary.
Where are you?
Yeah.
This is already really
Hello?
scary. I'm
Hello?
gonna cry because of you guys. I don't
Gonna
even
cry.
play, dude.
Really
I'm
well
gonna
made.
freaking start crying.
Gonna
I'm
cry.
gonna freaking start
It's actually
crying, dude.
really
I
well
wanted to
made.
play Clash Royale, but I guess I'm not doing that.
No one
Oh
cares.
hey, I think I found a tape. Alright, that's tape number 1.
Hello, can you give us a tour of your manor?
So yeah, we're
Please,
heading
dude. I'm
down.
just trying to play.
So we're heading downstairs where the demons are held.
Okay, that's
Oh
interesting.
hell no!
What?
Sir, do you need some cough drops?
I'm gonna leave the game.
No,
Don't,
no.
Matthew. I don't even know how scary it is. Come on.
Very scary.
I hear something moving. I don't like that.
Yeah, me neither.
Alright, so Matthew, we're pretty much looking for... It's pretty much like a Slender Man game. We're looking for 8 tapes.
This doesn't seem... I'm very claustrophobic. Why would you do that?
Like there's a
Why-
clue around here.
Like Zoink Scoob.
Like Zoink Scoob.
LT and left stick, same thing, right?
Guys? Guys?
Where are you?
I see flashlight. Wait, where is he? Where is he? Where is he? Oh, I see it. Alright. See what I mean?
Holy Lord, holy Lord, holy Lord, holy Lord, please, God help me. Where did Matthew go? I think he went.
Matthew!
Man, I lost the freaking map because of you guys.
Oh, tape.
There should be a... Yeah, get it. Nice.
That's
Wee
it.
Hell no.
wee woo. Wee woo. Wee woo.
really not liking
No.
this game right
here's
now,
someone.
'cause-
You hear someone?
Is it only the 3 of us?
Yeah, it's 3 of us versus an AI.
I hear breathing.
Yeah, I hear breathing. Someone used
put
their
a
compass.
stick over there. We're here. Somewhere over here. Maybe above. Upstairs.
Probably.
Arcane chest. Where's the arcane chest?
I don't know which old hag is breathing. but you
Freaking
better stop
Christ,
that.
Matthew. You freaking
Over here!
freaking terrified
Shut up.
me.
Yeah, see, that's... Does that really sound like a black person? No, it doesn't.
Alright, so there's a locked combination in here. Yeah, there's supposedly a clue in here.
I'm about to leave this damn game if I get jump scared again.
Matthew,
Matthew,
when you
don't be a
shouted,
wuss.
Can you tell
When I
which order?
shouted Suka, please.
Over here.
Shut up!
Okay, P-H...
Alright.
P-Pi and A.
Over here!
P-H-A? Yeah, P-H-A.
P-H-A.
Where? Alright, it's gone. Alright, I found A. Alright, where's A? Someone,
A.
quick.
Where's
Found-
A? I know where A is.
Click it. Nice, the chest is open.
What happened to my flashlight?
Wait, click B. It turns off and on.
Really not liking this game, dude.
I opened the chest. What happened?
Okay, it's over here. The flashlight's giving out.
Yeah, mine is too. We need to find a battery.
Hello? Hello?
Hey, don't make sounds. The creature can find us.
You guys wanna play Rainbow and kill some noobs later?
No.
Yes, you do.
I seriously remember why I don't like playing this game alone.
Need battery.
You guys are gonna make me cry. Like, seriously though.
More lights means more power. The lights are giving out.
I'm not going over there.
Yeah, my light is really giving out.
Okay. Don't stare at it.
Wait, don't go that way.
Ah!
Don't go that way. The frick was that? Goodbye, guys. I went insane. Oh,
Matthew, where the hell are you?
alright, someone use the compass.
Matthew, where'd you go?
I don't know.
Matthew, where'd you go?
I don't know.
Matthew!
Thank you, we're screwed. We're gonna die.
I don't know where I am. Someone yell.
Hello?
The clues
Okay.
around here.
Gotta go. Okay, don't look at that.
Don't.
We have to get around it though.
Don't worry, we'll
Can
go
we
around
eat
this
it?
way. Doors.
Goodbye, guys.
I'm sorry.
Don't worry, I can still help you guys. I'm gonna destroy the idol.
Stay in this corner. Stay in this corner.
I'm destroying the idol.
What the hell are you doing?
Vincent's dead. No.
Can you guys hear me?
Oh my god. Oh.
Yeah, I know, flashlight.
Wait, there's another idol over here. Hold on. Alright, continue moving. The clue is in this room. Wait, Matthew, no, wrong way.
Battery? Sorry, getting my battery.
Or yeah, that's good.
You have a battery?
So Matthew, in this room, there's a bunch of idols, but there's a clue.
Where are you, Matthew? Matthew.
Yeah?
How do you?
Hey guys, when I do this, can you guys see me?
Yeah.
Yeah. So guys, wait, head into the middle area, there's a clue.
Oh my god!
Wait, where is it?
My flashlight!
Hell no, hell no, hell no.
Matthew, there's a clue in here.
I don't care.
You
Stand
can't beat the game.
My flashlight is going down. What?
Oh, nice.
Should be morning already, but the house is still surrounded by darkness.
What is this? That's an anomaly, of course.
Wait, Matthew,
whatever it's
you
called.
are
Yeah.
really far.
Yeah, but this game is very scary. My friends are pressuring me into playing it, and I'm just like, oh crap.
Alright, start heading towards the next clue, guys. Wait, help him! Help him!
Really not what this game's gonna do.
Alright, come on, we're close. Halfway through. Matthew, straight ahead. Use your compass.
Oh, anomalies.
Is your battery somewhere?
Matthew, use your compass.
Help me please,
Oh, no.
help me please, help me please, help me
him.
please. Okay.
Oh my god.
Wait, you
gonna
guys,
die.
you guys are passing one. Wait, Matthew, wrong way. Alright, yeah. Good. Over here. There should be one around here.
Really gonna have nightmares today, dude.
What the fuck?
Wait, guys, over here. Alright, use your compass, because I can't use mine.
Matthew?
What?
Use your
Can you use your
guys'.
compass?
Why would I do that? Alright.
Yeah, it says there's one. Wait, in here.
Oh my god.
Oh hell no.
Wait, where? Where? Oh, I'm gonna get that totem.
Matthew, can you use it?
Where are you?
Yeah, Matthew, it's in this. Wait, no. It's not in this room. Just disappeared as I walked in here.
What is that?
Wait.
I'm dead. Okay.
No!
Oh god.
He's dying, Matthew. He's dying.
Yes, I understand that. You be gone! Be gone, you thought!
Yeah, alright, so...
Matthew, you're about to be the last guy.
Yeah, guys, clues around here. Okay.
I'm gonna die.
Oh, hey guys. Oh, in here, guys.
Battery!
Guys,
Did you seriously just take my battery?
guys, in here. Watch out for that. Yeah, there's a clue
Matthew,
in
take
here.
that.
Oh shoot.
Oh my lord.
No!
Be gone, you thought? Oh, okay.
Matthew, you're the last one alive. Complete the mission.
What the hell is that? That's creepy. Lord, oh my god.
Yeah.
That kid.
There's so many.
There's a Matthew.
What the hell?
Make sure to spin around in a circle every once in a while to see if the creature's around you. We can't see him.
You can't see him, or you, or
We
like
can't.
I can't see it. Oh, what the fuck?
I think over here, it's starting to get warmer. Matthew, use your compass.
I already did.
G.
I already did.
Alright. Oh, Matthew, right over here. Yeah, I hear it. And there's a battery. Wait, Matthew, behind you. Alright, yeah.
It's right here.
There's a battery right up
It's right here. There's one
Okay, I'll
right
get
here.
that later.
Mhm. There we go. Just in case, gonna put that there. Oh, we're close to the next clue. Over here. Matthew, another battery. Right
On the
behind you.
chair.
Right, on the chair. On the
On the chair.
We probably just wasted that. Yeah, Matthew, it's right down here. And there's another battery.
Good. When did we need? When were they? When we needed them?
Yeah, where were the batteries when we needed them?
Where are they?
Oh, wait, Matthew, this way. Should be like right around here.
On the other side of this wall.
Wait, Matthew, it is around here.
On the other side of this wall, in the library.
Oh. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's really close here.
There you
Where
go.
was it?
Get away from me.
Ooh, nice. Where
Even that too.
Where's the tape? I hear it. Sounds really close around here.
Got it.
And there we go. Oh, Matthew, also close to the last one. To your left. Matthew,
What is that little beam do?
the
Yeah,
beam
that's
of fire?
Yeah, what's that?
I don't know. I think it's for us to help you deal with the monster. We're right here.
Oh.
Come on, Matthew. What the heck is this?
What the fuck?
What happened? Matthew, keep on shining that. Keep on shining it. Yeah, it says it's right here. Yes! Ah, what? The artifact? What does that mean?
I know.
I thought we beat the game.
I see something outlined.
Alright, so... Wait, shoot. Wait, where did Matthew go? Oh.
Right here.
Oh, okay.
Shut up.
We wasted our fire. Or Matthew, I see something outlined over here. Does it look like a box to you?
Yeah.
No!
I'm dead.
Shit.
Darn it! Darn it.
That's bad.
This game is too scary, dude.
Yeah. Be fun with. Let's see this.
Wow. Wow, we did not make it far.
I love how calculating is just moving on the board.
Wow. One more go? No, now we have 4 men. Alright, which map?
Shit, dude.
Alright, one last round.
I'm gonna cry, dude.
Oh,
Gonna cry.
What?
Piss your pants, baby.
Shut up.
Maybe shit and come.
Edward, ooh.
Oh shit.
Alright, here we go. Here we go.
Can I play a match of Clash Royale?
No.
Hey, no
after
upwards.
this.
No.
Okay. Damn.
I hear someone parrying. Alright, here we go. Alright. Oh no. This is a bad map. This is a bad map.
Why? Why?
It's too big. I can't see the walls.
Shut up.
Hey, we're right by it. Where is it? Where is it? Oh wow, battery already.
Battery.
It says
Don't take all the batteries yet.
I
It's
know.
too soon.
Pick a battery when you don't need it. Got an achievement for that called OCD. And I don't know where you guys are.
Shout. I'll shout.
Over here!
I see you. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it?
Gotcha.
It beats up all sorts of strange frequencies.
Matthew, do you need this? Oh my god. Matthew, did you take the medkit?
Yeah.
Okay, good. I'll take the battery then.
I'm good. Oh no,
Save
I
him.
want to.
Got it.
Let's stick together. Like game.
Where are you two?
Hello?
Oh, I see you, Matthew. We're in some kind of building.
Ah, who took the battery from here? Waking up to ash and dust. I mine my wood and I slap mine nuts.
Oh my god.
Huh.
Oi, oi. Get back. You don't know me like that. Matthew, please, Matthew.
Coming.
Matthew,
Where
Matthew,
are you,
don't fail
Matthew?
me. Don't fail me.
Oh, they are. And you are
Fool.
far.
Holy lord.
Choke me. Thank you so much. I need to find a med kit. Need a battery.
We only found one clue.
Yeah, it's over here.
Over here!
He's here. Oh, stop it!
Run, 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 United. Go, 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 Oh, anomaly! Of course.
Here!
Alright.
Oh, Matthew!
Get away from me. Sir. Oh, okay.
You guys need help?
The blade seems really unstable.
Nice.
Electric spikes happen extremely often. I should find the generator and shut it off.
Did you use it?
God
Oh, what?
Okay, I stunned it. It's bad, it's bad, it's bad.
I need a medkit and a battery.
Same.
We need to start finding
The hell was
clues
that?
fast.
Oh yeah,
I can't
Get
get
away.
you guys.
Oh no, oh no, oh no. I need the medkit.
Hurry, hurry, hurry.
Ah,
No,
back.
Matthew.
Thank you so much.
Oh lord. I need help.
I need a medkit.
I can't find anyone.
Where'd you go?
Yeah, I'm right here.
Do I see you? Alright.
Oh,
Thank you.
oh no. Hello.
Oh lord, help me, help me, help me, help me, Lord Jesus. Okay.
No!
What? Are you dead? What? Are you dead? He's dead.
Yeah.
Can't be it. This is disgusting.
I'm dead.
No! Oh, it's all going to crap.
Hey.
Where's the last person?
Chisaki.
Where is the last person?
Chisaki. If I can, I wonder if I can go like mark some items while I'm dead.
No, but I can see where you are. Oh god, I can't save him.
Well, he's too far.
Yeah, he's halfway across the map.
Over here.
Battery.
Where?
Behind you.
Oh, I see it.
Right here.
I see it.
Some people want to keep the spark alive. It would be better to bury it, for God's sake.
Yeah, after this game, I'm gonna go to sleep.
Oh, you're getting off so soon?
Yeah, my mom wants me to go to sleep.
Alright.
Play Monster Hunter.
There's a lot of batteries.
Wow.
Thank you. Oh god, that's a shrine thing. Please.
Let's get rid of that.
Yeah, you guys can get rid of it.
Damn, dude.
Well,
She looks like an ape. Well, I'm gonna go to sleep now.
See ya.
See
Yeah,
ya.
I'm gonna end the video here.